Doctor, to camera. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Johnson, your licensed physiotherapist. Welcome back to our channel, where we take you through real recovery sessions to help you move better and live comfortably. Before we begin today's treatment, please make sure you watch this video right to the end, so you don't miss any important steps. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and switch on notifications so you never miss our upcoming sessions and home exercise guides. Alright, let's get started with day 2 of the treatment. The doctor turns towards the patient. The patient enters the clinic, walking slightly smoother than before. Doctor, hello. Good to see you again. You're walking a bit better today. How are you feeling after the first session? Patient, much better than before, to be honest. The pain is still there, but it's not as sharp. Doctor, that's brilliant progress. Exactly what we want, steady improvement. Today, we'll go a little deeper into the muscles, especially around the lower back, glutes, and hip. Doctor, before we start, tell me, does the pain still travel down towards the hip, or does it stay around the lower back? Patient, it's mostly in my lower back now. The hip pain has eased a bit. Doctor, perfect. That shows the muscles are responding well. Let me recheck the tight areas before we begin. The doctor gently presses around the lumbar and glute muscles. Doctor, here. And here. Patient, yeah, a bit tender, but not like before. Doctor, good. A bit of tenderness is completely normal. Today we'll target these muscles more specifically. The patient lies face down on the treatment table. Doctor, all right. I'm starting with a deep tissue massage on your lumbar and glute muscles. Let me know if anything feels too intense. He works with slow, firm strokes. Doctor, you'll feel a warm, releasing sensation as I work through these tight bands. Patient, it's sore, but in a good way. Doctor, that's exactly what we're aiming for. Now I'm moving on to trigger point release. I'll hold pressure on one spot for a few seconds. The doctor applies steady pressure. Patient, oh yeah, that's tight. Doctor, it'll release in a moment. There we go. Good. Doctor, now I'm going to use a technique called MET. You'll gently push against my hand while I stabilize your pelvis. He positions the patient. Doctor, push, hold. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done. This helps realign the lower back joints and reduces pressure. Doctor, next, I'll mobilize your lower back again, slightly stronger than last time. He rotates the patient's hips gently from side to side. Doctor, you should feel a smooth stretch, not pain. Patient, feels really good actually. Doctor, excellent. That means your mobility is improving. Doctor, all right, let's go through the exercises you'll do at home. These ones are a bit more advanced than last time. First, hip hinge practice. It teaches your body how to bend correctly without stressing your spine. Hips go back, back stays neutral, and come up again. Do 10 repetitions. Next, the seated piriformis stretch. Sit upright, cross your leg, and gently twist your torso. Hold for 20 seconds. Then we've got the wall squat hold. Keep your back against the wall. Slide down slightly and hold for 10 seconds. This strengthens the supporting muscles of your lower back. After that, the kneeling hip flexor stretch. This opens up the front of your hip, reducing tension in your lower back. Hold for 20 to 25 seconds. And finally, the modified bird dog exercise. Raise the opposite arm and leg, slowly and with control. 6 repetitions on each side. Doctor, great work today. Your muscles are responding exactly as they should. Just remember to keep up with the exercises every day. Avoid long periods of sitting or bending forward. Drink plenty of water and apply heat for 10 minutes at night. Doctor, in our next session, we'll focus on stability training, pelvic alignment, and core activation, all extremely important for preventing flare-ups and keeping your spine protected in the long run. He smiles at the camera. Doctor, and as always, if you'd like more recovery guidance and exercise tutorials, make sure to watch our other videos and subscribe to the channel.
Make sure to watch our other
See you in the
videos
next
and
session.
subscribe to the channel. See you at the next session.